This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wholeheartedly welcomed the approval of the National Education Policy 2020. In a series of tweets, he said this was a long due and much awaited reform in the education sector which will transform millions of lives in the times to come. The Prime Minister said, NEP 2020 is based on the pillars of access, equity, quality, affordability and accountability. He said, in this era of knowledge where learning, research and innovation are important, the National Education Policy will transform India into a vibrant knowledge hub. The Prime Minister added, NEP 2020 gives utmost importance towards ensuring universal access to school education. There is emphasis on aspects such as better infrastructure, innovative education centers to bring back dropouts into the mainstream, facilitating multiple pathways to learning, among others. Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh has instructed state officials to upgrade the 300-bedded new COVID care center at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Imphal West to 1,000-bedded. The Chief Minister, along with his cabinet ministers, inspected the preparation going on for the opening of the new COVID care center yesterday. The center, which will initially have 300 beds, is almost ready for inauguration, and the Chief Minister expressed satisfaction on seeing the work progress. However, the Chief Minister instructed the concerned officials to upgrade it to a 1,000-bedded center as it has enough space for extension. A doctor of the Bethany Hospital in the Meghalaya capital Shillong tested negative for COVID-19 a day after he was found to be positive, authorities of the medical facility said yesterday. There is no reason for the people to panic as all precautionary measures are being followed, they said. The doctor was on leave for more than a week. As per the protocol, any doctor or staff has to be tested for COVID-19 before resuming his or her duties for the safety of all patients and staff, hospital spokesperson Shillong Sanmit said. He said the doctor's swab sample was taken on July 29th for RT-PCR test and his report came in as positive. The doctor was immediately taken from his residence to a corona care center for quarantine, Sanmit said. As instructed by the government, he was tested again through RT-PCR on July 30th and was found to be negative, Sanmit said. 11 more people have tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, taking the Himalayan state's caseload to 650 on Saturday, a senior health official said. All the new infections were reported from East Sikkim district, Director General cum Secretary Health Dr. Pemba T. Bhutia said. East Sikkim has so far reported the highest number of cases at 464, followed by 143 in South, 42 in West and 1 in North Sikkim districts, he said. The fresh infections have pushed the number of active cases in the state to 380, while 269 people have recovered and 1 COVID-19 patient has died. In Assam, 67 Assam police personnel who have recovered from COVID-19 donated their plasma at state-run Guwahati Medical College and Hospital in Guwahati. They were felicitated by Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma at a program organized at the hospital's auditorium. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal thanked the plasma donors and appealed to the people to come out and donate plasma to serve humanity. With the support of people and bravery of Corona warriors, we are doing extremely well in our fight against COVID-19, he tweeted. In Manipur, the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic was not able to hinder the routine immunization and the campaign is going on in a very smooth way. The routine immunization is conducted throughout the year for newborn babies and children to protect them from various diseases like Japanese encephalitis, polio, hepatitis B, HIV, tetanus, rubella, measles, flu, pneumococcal diseases, etc. Speaking to AIR News, Manipur State Nodal Officer for Immunization, Dr. T.H. Nandakishore Singh said the prevailing curfew and lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic have effect on the routine immunizations in the state. However, it does not hinder the achievement. He said during the year 2019-20, the overall immunization achievement was 90%. Nagaland continued to reel under the impact of COVID-19 as a total of 138 fresh cases have been detected yesterday, one of the highest single-day spikes in the number of COVID-19 cases. According to State Health and Family Welfare COVID-19 Bulletin, 117 cases were reported from Dimapur and 21 from Kohima, while 5 more patients have also recovered yesterday, adding the total recovered tally to 640. Of the 1,183 active cases, 1,181 are asymptomatic while one is of mild symptom and one is under critical condition with oxygen. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.